Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Today I'm doing an acrylic pour on a vase, and this is actually a custom piece for someone. So I'm using all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. The colors I'm using are white, primary yellow, golden sun, tiger orange shimmer, some primary red, inferno orange, merlot, and royal purple. And I'm just layering these multiple times in my cup in the order that I liked them in. Now, I do think I went a little too heavy on the yellow, and I wish I had a little bit more purple and merlot, but that's okay. It still came out beautiful. So once I was ready with my cup, I took my vase and I raised it up on this is a 16-ounce plastic cup underneath it, upside down on top of a canvas. And to prep the vase, all I did was clean it with some 91% isopropyl alcohol. And then I pour all the paint over the vase. I usually like doing a tree ring. Now you can see here that my vase was actually a little bit crooked on the cup, like it wasn't actually level on the cup, so most of the paint is going to one side. That's okay, it's not the end of the world. If you pour slow enough, you should still get full coverage, and then, it'll move around the cup on the canvas. But ideally, you make sure that your vase is pretty level on the cup. So I messed up on that. And yeah, then I let it run for about 5 minutes or so, and then lift it up by the cup and move it off of the canvas. Now, I like to let the hole fill in before I start tilting. So sometimes I kind of help it out by pushing it down, and then I tilt until I have the coverage and the design that I want. There's no wrong way to do this, but typically I'll tilt towards one corner, then back to the middle, and then towards another corner, then back to the middle, and try to maintain that design. And then once I have the canvas mostly covered, I'll start to run the paint off of the canvas. And then I will go back and stretch out any part of the design that I would like to stretch out. So I'm usually not going for having a centered design. I usually prefer off center. And so that's how it usually comes out. But sometimes I feel like centering it, and then I do so. So here's how this looks. And this is the wet version. And then here's how it looks dry. So it doesn't change much. The colors get slightly darker, and this paint dries pretty satin, like semi-gloss. And I'll usually seal the painting with some Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear Enamel Spray, which brings out the gloss. Here's the vase. And vases I always seal with Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.